Welcome to Follow My Voice, Meditation Edition. Today we're going to take a deep dive onto concentration. And this meditation is for anyone that has problems concentrating in life on anything you have to do. Is there a task that you need to execute on that you could really use some better concentration? That's what this meditation is going to be for. So go ahead and make sure you're in a comfortable spot where you can just relax and take it easy. We're going to start our meditation with box breathing. We're going to breathe in for 5 seconds, hold it for 5 seconds, exhale for 5 seconds, preferably with a shh sound. Trust me, it makes a difference. Hold it for 5 seconds. Then breathe normally, and then repeat. We're going to do 3 cycles of that just to warm up and start winding down. After that, we'll go ahead and relax the body. And then, once you're relaxed, we're going to talk about what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of guide your mind through tips for concentration and just implant suggestions for your mind while to help you concentrate and let you create your own experience. I'm only a guide, and I'll only be here providing suggestions. Take what is useful, discard what is not, and make it truly your own. So before we close our eyes, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you can make sure you're always aware when I'm dropping a new meditation. Got a lot of great topics coming up in the near future. So if you have any other issues besides concentration, they're coming up soon. All right, make sure you're sitting down, preferably not lying down. Don't want you to fall asleep, and just follow my voice as I guide you through the meditation. Okay, go ahead and close your eyes and relax now. Let's take a deep breath. All right, ready? Inhale for 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold it. Good. Breathe normally. Okay, we're going to do this again. This time we're going to go a little deeper into relaxation. Go ahead and breathe in. 5 seconds. Ready? Inhale. 4, 5. Hold it. 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold it. 2, 3. Breathe normally. As you start to get more relaxed, remember the timings don't have to be accurate. You don't have to copy my second to the second of breathing. It's all whatever you feel comfortable with. Good, good. All right, let's go deeper and let's take that final deep breath. Ready? Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Hold it. 3, 4, 5. Breathe normally. Good, good. Now that your mind is more relaxed, go ahead and if there's any tension left in your head, just shake it off slightly. And let your head relax deeper and deeper. Just go ahead and relax your shoulders, starting with the left shoulder, moving down to the left arm, down past the left elbow, down to the left hand. Good. Good. Go ahead and relax the right shoulder now. Relax the right elbow, down the right arm, down the right hand. Good. Go ahead and relax your back. Moving down your back. Relaxing. Just keep following my voice. Relax deeper and deeper. Go ahead and relax your chest and all the organs, your heart, your stomach. Just relax. Go ahead and relax your hips. Moving down to your thighs. Relaxing the left thigh. Down the left knee. Down the left ankle. Down to the left foot. Good. Just like that. Relax your right thigh. Right knee. Good. Just like that. Relax your right ankle. Down to your right foot. Just like that. Good. Good. And now that you're relaxed and your mind's clear, I want you to think about the following thoughts. Studying in a quiet place that is free from distraction and interruptions. Can you think of a place like that? That would really help your concentration. Try to create in your mind now space that you can create in the real world, designed solely for studying and getting your work done. Now, go ahead and make a study schedule. Shows, I want you to see what you need to accomplish, and I want you to plan when you're going to accomplish each task. This is how you provide structure for what you need to do. What do you need to do today? Now let your mind think, what is the best time of the day for you to study? Are you a morning person? Or are you a night owl? Also, think about maintaining your physical fitness. Concentration is helped by a healthy body, and exercise will help you concentrate. Yes, you know that's true. Make sure you're not tired and you're getting plenty of sleep. Go ahead and check in with your body. Do you feel like, are you sleeping enough? What was the first thought that came to your mind? If it was yes, good. If it was no, you need to sleep more in order to concentrate better. Another thought for you to consider. Don't try to do 2 tasks at once. You won't be able to concentrate, and I want you to concentrate. Now, concentration means focusing on one thing and not more than one thing. What is the one thing you need to concentrate on? Let your mind concentrate on that now. Next, break large tasks into a series of smaller tasks that you can complete one at a time. Remember, you concentrate by doing one thing at a time. And when you do that one thing, you break it up into smaller tasks If you try to complete a large task all at once, you will fail to concentrate. And you may feel overwhelmed. I want you to be able to maintain your concentration now. See yourself concentrating. Good. Good, relax. It's okay. It's hard to concentrate if you're tense. That's why it's important to relax when you're working on a task that requires concentration. That's why meditation is so helpful. And that's why it's such a good idea that you're following this meditation and following my voice now. Meditation helps increase concentration. Now, during this meditation, have any thoughts entered your mind that you don't want to be there? Clear your mind of worrisome thoughts. You are not your thoughts. Those negative thoughts, you didn't put them there. This is about positive thoughts, positive energy. Mental poise is important to concentration. You can get distracted by what you think are your own thoughts. Monitor your thoughts to prevent yourself from following anything that would take you off track. Instead, follow my guidance. Follow my voice. Don't daydream. Concentrate. Bring the dream to the real world. Develop an interest in what you want. You'll concentrate better if you're interested in what you want. Try to relate what you want to your own life. Remember, that's what makes it meaningful, and that's what makes it possible. This motivation of interest will help you concentrate now. Remember to take breaks when you're tired. There's no set formula of when to take breaks. You will know when you need to take a break. Remember, trying to concentrate when you're tired is like trying to fill a bucket with water when the bucket has a hole in the bottom. It doesn't work. What does work? Concentrating. When you're relaxed. That's why, if you need to concentrate, feel free to turn to this meditation again, because in this state, every time you listen now, your concentration will get a little better. And a 1% improvement every day will get you to your goal. Remember, a 1% devaluation every day. Even if it's just 1%, will take you as close to 0. Never allow that. Stay with the goal to achieve 1%, just a little more concentration every day. Concentrates. You can do it. I believe in you. Even if the world doesn't, listen. The thoughts that are negative are not yours. Listen. I believe you can concentrate. I believe in you. Now, I'm going to count down from 5, and each time you're going to come back to me. I want you to come back to me slowly, only as fast as you are ready to come back. 5. Start following my voice. Come back. Ignore the thoughts. Just hone in on the sound of my voice. 4. Feel the fingers on your right and left hand. 3. Left and right toes. Left and right elbows. And remember your left and right knees. Come back to good. Now slowly start opening your eyes. There you go. I'm going to start feeding you energy. 1, bam, wide awake. Come back. Welcome back. Feeling a little better? Feeling like you can concentrate? I want you to think of what's one thing that you got out of the meditation. Remember, it's different each time. What one thing did you get that's going to help you concentrate more now? First thing that pops in your mind, what is it? Now, think. Bam. That was your subconscious's gift for doing that meditation today. It'll change. If you like concentration and you want to get that 1% better, go ahead and start with some positive energy. Hitting that like and subscribe button is a great way to get positive energy. If you don't like the positive energy, it's all good. There's another button you can click on. But I do recommend, for slightly 1% better concentration, hitting that like button and subscribing so you're always in tune for my next meditation. Highly recommended. All right, you know what you got to concentrate on. This is not a procrastination meditation, but don't you procrastinate. Use that concentration for good. Remember, great power comes great responsibility. Thanks for following my voice.